Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet these cute little bear hats. They are so easy to make and they just take a few minutes. So let's get started. I'm gonna use this milk cotton with 2.5mm crochet hook for the whole project. I'm gonna show you with light brown yarn here. You can use any color you want. To start, we're gonna make a magic ring first. After making magic ring, make 8 single crochet into that magic ring. I'm gonna mark the first stitch with stitch marker. After making 8 single crochet, pull the yarn tail to close it. Now we have finished round 1, we're gonna start round 2. So I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make 1 single crochet at the first stitch. I'm gonna mark the first stitch with stitch marker. So in round 2, we're gonna make 8 increase. So I'm gonna make another 1 single crochet at the same stitch. So this is 1 increase. Basically, increase means making 2 stitches in 1. I'm gonna show you again. At the next stitch, we're gonna make 2 single crochet. Now we've got 2 increase. We're gonna repeat like this until the end of the row. Now we have finished round 2, we're gonna start round 3. So I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make 1 single crochet at the first stitch. Mark the first stitch with stitch marker. In round 3, we're gonna make 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 8 times. I've made 1 single crochet, so I'm gonna make increase at the next stitch. So this is 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 1 time. We're gonna repeat like this 7 more times. So make 1 single crochet at the next stitch and increase at the next stitch. Now we've got 2 sets. We're gonna repeat like this until the end of the row. Now we have finished round 3. We're gonna start round 4. So I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make 1 single crochet at the first stitch and mark the first stitch with stitch marker. So from round 4 to round 7, we're just gonna have to make a total of 24 single crochet by making 1 single crochet in each stitch of each round. Now we have finished round 7. We're gonna start round 8. So I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make 1 single crochet at the first stitch. So in round 8, we're gonna make 4 single crochet and 1 decrease for 4 times. So I'm gonna make 4 single crochet first. After making 4 single crochet, we're gonna make decrease at the next 2 stitches. If you don't know how to make decrease, I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna insert the hook into front loop only of next 2 stitches and then pull the yarn through 2 loops and pull through another 2 loops. So this is decrease. So this is 4 single crochet and 1 decrease for 1 time. we're gonna repeat like this for next 3 times. Now we finished round 8. After round 8, we're gonna stop for a while and staff the head. So I'm gonna remove the stitch marker. After staffing the head, we're gonna start next round, which is round 9. In round 9, we're gonna crochet by inserting the hook into the facing stitches. We're gonna close the head like this. So we're gonna start by inserting the hook into first stitch and last stitch and then make single crochet. So I'm gonna insert the hook into first stitch and then into last stitch. After inserting the hook into 2 stitches, pull through the yarn and make single crochet. And just like that, we're gonna insert the hook into next stitches, which are second stitch and second to last stitch, and then we're gonna make 3 half double crochet. After making 3 half double crochet, insert the hook into next 2 stitches and then make 1 single crochet. After that, make slip stitch at the same stitch. Then we're gonna make 4 slip stitches at the next 4 stitches. After that, make slip stitch and single crochet at the next stitch. We're gonna make single crochet at the same stitch. After that, make 3 half double crochet at the next stitch. And at the final stitch, make 1 single crochet and slip stitch. Then cut the yarn. Now we're gonna hide the yarn tail. Insert the needle into the same stitch with slip stitch. Now we're gonna make the face. We're gonna make the eyes at round 6 with 4 stitches apart. For the eyes, I'm gonna use dark brown yarn, attach it with needle and make a knot at the end. After making the eyes, we're gonna make the nose between the eyes at round 7. Now hide the remaining yarn tail. Now we're gonna add the blush. We're gonna add the blush right under the eye for 1 stitch. I'm gonna use this pink yarn and attach it with needle. Leave the yarn tail like that. And now double tie the 2 yarn tails and cut. Now the face is finished. So we're gonna make the scarf between round 3 and round 4. We're gonna make it all the way round. We're gonna start from the middle of the back around here. So I'm gonna insert the hook and then pull through the yarn. You can use any color you want. After that, make 2 chains. And starting from the same stitch that we made chain 2, we're gonna make 22 half double crochet. I'm gonna mark the first stitch with stitch marker and then continue crocheting all the way around. Bring along the yarn tail on the hook. After 4 stitches, I'm gonna leave the yarn tail here and continue. Now I've made 21 half double crochet, so I'm gonna make the last stitch. So for the last stitch, we're gonna insert the hook back into the first stitch like this, and then make half double crochet. After that, make slip stitch with the first stitch. and then chain 1 and cut. I'm also gonna cut the hidden yarn tail. Now we're gonna hide this yarn tail. Now we're gonna make the front piece of the scarf. We're gonna make it at these 2 stitches. So I'm gonna insert the hook at the first stitch and then pull through the yarn and make 6 chains. After making 6 chains, starting from the 3rd chain from the hook, we're gonna make 4 half double crochet. After that, make slip stitch at the 2nd stitch. Then cut the yarn. Now we're gonna hide the yarn tails. Now double tie the 2 yarn tails and cut. Now we have finished the scarf. So this is our little pear hat. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribe for more cute stuff. See you again. Bye bye.